Hello guys and welcome back to Daily Fix Guide. Today I will show you how to add money to your Rainbet account. So in order to do this, first of all, navigate to rainbet.com and log in using your user credentials. After you do this, you'll have to simply click on this wallet icon at the top, that is this green icon. It will show you this pop-up where you'll have to simply choose the deposit option. You will also get the option to withdraw, buy crypto, tip or redeem. Make sure you choose deposit. Now you can choose to select the currency. Click on select crypto and choose any kind of crypto that you want to add the money through. Or you also have the option for banking through Interac or PIX. So if I choose this one, I'll have to enter the amount in Canadian dollars and the deposit information, then click on deposit, follow the prompts and I would have successfully deposited my money. And the other method that is widely used is the crypto one. Click on select crypto, choose any crypto you want, select the network. After selecting the network, you'll have to simply choose this deposit address, add this deposit address in your crypto application, then complete the transaction from your crypto application and you would have successfully deposited money in Rainbet. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.